Hi everybody, it's me, Jacob, library technician at the Longview Public Library. And today I'm going to show you our second all-ages craft, Sock Snowman. Okay, inside your craft packet you'll get a regular size sock, a toddler sock, a pom-pom, an assortment of buttons, some rubber bands, a long piece of fleece, and a short piece of orange fleece. And then you'll also get some rice in a bag. And from home, you'll need some scissors, a pen, and you'll need either a hot glue gun or some craft glue. So the first step to making this craft is you're going to fill your sock with the rice. So you'll get a much nicer brand new sock. I'm using this old sock from home. So we're gonna open this up. And if you have a funnel at home, you can also use a funnel, and that makes this a little bit easier. I'm just gonna take my sock and I'm gonna stretch it kind of around the end of this bag. And then just turn it upside down and just have it spill all over the table. Okay, so I've got my snowman now filled with rice, and now I'm going to kind of push it down and take one of my rubber bands and put it over the top. And what you want to do here is give enough room to where you can basically cut off some of the excess here at the top and then still have enough to tie it at the bottom. So you want to give maybe about that much space, like an inch, 2 inches. And I'm just going to keep tying it to create a seal here. There, now it's kind of like a snowman ponytail. And then I'm just going to cut this here. There we go. Alright, so the next step is that we're going to use our rubber band to kind of separate the body from the head in the snowman. So you want to have about 2/3 of this be the bottom and about 1/3 to be the head. So I'm just going to kind of like smash it and just kind of grip it like this, kind of put my wrap around there. And then now that I've kind of got them separated, I'll take the rubber band, wrap it around, and now we've got a distinct body and head here. Alright, so the next step is I'm going to take this piece of fleece here, and I'm going to cut it a little bit thinner, and this is going to be the scarf. So I've got this kind of longer piece. I'm going to cut it maybe in half because I kind of want a thinner scarf for my snowman. So I'll cut it all the way, and then once I'm done with that, I'm going to fray and cut some thin lines at the end to sort of have like a frayed edge for the scarf. Alright, now he has a cute little scarf. And the next step is we're going to go over to our gluing station and we're going to glue on his face. Alright, so I'm going to glue on the snowman's mouth by taking some of these small black buttons here. I'm going to use my hot glue gun with adult supervision if necessary, but I'm an adult, so I'm going to supervise myself here. And I'm just going to put a little dab of glue on there. And since the buttons have holes, some of the glue might like leak through them as you're gluing it, so just be careful about that, not to burn your fingers. And then I'll just keep doing that till it's done. Alright, so as you can see, I've got some buttons on the body, I made a mouth and some eyes, and I have a little bit of room for a nose. So I'm going to take my pen here, and if you don't have to use a pen if you don't want to, but I'm just going to kind of sketch out a little triangle here. It's going to be like the carrot. And then I'll cut it out, and then I'll hot glue gun that on as well. Alright, so we've got our nose on, and now our last step to hide the top of this, we're just going to take our sock and we're going to put it around the top of the head, of course. And if you want, one thing you can do is you can actually glue the hat on just to keep it from falling off. And so once I've got the hat kind of down, I'm going to roll up a little bit of the edge here so it has, kind of looks like a beanie that way. And in this case, this wasn't a toddler sock, this was just a really long sock. So I could even cut off some of this excess, and then once I'm done I can glue the pom-pom onto the top. So I'm gonna make this sock a little bit smaller. Look at my finished snowman, he's so cute. So I hope you enjoy making your own sock snowman. Remember that you can pick up your all ages craft packet either at the lower floor desk or in the drive-thru. And we'll see you in 2 weeks for more all ages craft.